This here is the Bemis Radiance heated nightlight toilet seat. This thing is awesome. It has slow close and will never loosen. Right out of the box, you could see the toilet seat, and it is quality made. This thing looks like it's going to last. It doesn't feel flimsy. It feels really strong. It does give you an instruction manual and everything you need to install this onto your current toilet. There are 3 warming settings here, depending on how hot you want it. This is perfect for those cold winter nights and mornings. It has a built-in blue LED night light that illuminates the bathroom, and it's a very soft and soothing glow. And one thing I love about this is that when you close it, it closes slowly and quietly, so no more just coming down really hard and just making that loud crash. Also, when you are sitting on this thing, you're not going to have it come loose on you, so that is a really nice feature. But all in all, the fact that you have a heated seat with an LED light at night, that is really amazing. Like, that is really cool. Every toilet should have these seats on them because they're that good, especially in the morning. You can turn this thing on and it warms up really quickly too. It just feels so good. If you want to take your bathroom experience to the next level, yeah, this is a great way to go. So I highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.